Welcome to Unit 4, Lesson 3, Exponents that are Unit Fractions Practice Problems. Okay, complete the table. Use powers of 64 in the top row and radicals or rational numbers in the bottom row. Okay, so 64 to the 1/2 power is the square root. Thought I had it on here. Is the square root of 64, which is 8. Now, how do we get to 4? We take the cube root of 64, because the cube root of 64 is 4. 6 to the 0, 64 to the 0 is 1. If 64 to the 1/2 power is 8, then 64 to the negative 1/2 power must be, the root. So negative flips a fraction upside down. And then the last one, 64 to the negative 1 is 1 over 64. Okay, suppose that a friend missed class and never learned 25 to the 1/2 means. So use exponent rules to show the value of 25 to the 1/2 times 25 to the 1/2 power. So we multiply the same base, which means we add the exponents. Okay, please, when you write exponents, please don't write fractions. Too many of you are doing this. That's 25.5, not 25 to the 1/2 power. An exponent is a smaller number to the top right. Explain why this means that 25 to the 1/2 means 5. So we know that 25 to the 1/2 is the square root of 25, which equals positive and negative 5. So what we could have did was 25 to the 1/2 is 5 times 5, which gives us 25. That might have been shorter. Which expression is equivalent to 16 to the 1/2 power? The square root of 16 is plus and minus 4, but they only seem to be concerned about the positive. Okay, here we go. Select all again. 4 to the 10th. 4 is 2 squared to the 10th power is also 2 to the 20th. So B works. C works. Same base. 4 plus 6 is 10. And E works. Because 4 minus a negative 6 is 4 plus 6, which equals 10. Okay, now read this carefully. This says edge length and volume. So to go down, we cube it, and to go up, we cube root it. So 3, going down, you cube 3, you get 27. You take the cube root of 64, you get 4. Take the cube root of 85, which is not perfect. Now, when we cube something, the radicand pops out. The cube root of 125 is 5, and the cube root of 147 cubed is 147. A square has solid length 82 centimeters. What is the area of the square, the side length? So we square it, and when you square root, the square root goes away, and you're left with 82, which must be B.